everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Boost. I am Kate.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here today. My name is Martin. On this channel, we help you practice real English.
Please, if you like our video, help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel.
Yes, it really helps us a lot. Thank you. Today, we are going to talk about something very special.
That's right. We are going to learn how to talk about Christmas in English. So, Martin, how are you feeling about Christmas this year?
I'm excited, thank you. The Christmas season is here, so I feel happy. How about you, Kate?
I'm wonderful. A little busy with shopping, but wonderful.
Oh, why are you busy shopping?
I need to buy presents for my family. I want to find the perfect gifts.
I see. Well, I hope you find something nice.
Me too. What are your plans for Christmas, Martin?
I'm visiting my parents. We will have a big Christmas dinner together. It will be very nice.
That sounds lovely. I'm happy for you.
So, talking about Christmas is a wonderful way to practice English. We can talk about traditions, food, decorations, and feelings.
Yes, Christmas is full of special vocabulary. Let's start with some basic Christmas words. Martin, can you tell me what you see at Christmas time?
I see Christmas trees everywhere, in homes and shops, even outside in the town square. They are beautiful, with lights and ornaments.
Christmas trees are my favorite decoration. I also see Christmas lights on houses. Some neighborhoods have amazing light displays.
That's true. When I drive through my neighborhood at night, I see colorful lights everywhere, red, green, blue, and white. It looks magical.
Yes, magical is the perfect word. What else do you see at Christmas?
I see wreaths on doors. A wreath is a circle made of green branches, sometimes with a red bow.
And stockings. We hang stockings by the fireplace. We hope Santa will fill them with small gifts and candy.
Oh, yes. Stockings are a fun tradition. In my house, we always find chocolate and small toys in our stockings on Christmas morning.
That sounds delightful. Let's talk about Christmas activities. Martin, what do you do to prepare for Christmas?
Well, first I decorate my home. I put up a Christmas tree and hang ornaments on it. Each ornament has a special memory.
I love decorating the tree. It takes a long time, but it's so much fun. I also wrap presents with colorful paper and ribbons.
Wrapping presents is an art. Sometimes my presents look terrible because I'm not good at wrapping, but it's okay. It's the thought that counts.
That's very true. What else do people do at Christmas?
Many people bake Christmas cookies, gingerbread cookies, sugar cookies with frosting, and chocolate chip cookies. I love baking at Christmas. The house smells wonderful, cinnamon, vanilla, and ginger. It's the smell of Christmas. Do you bake cookies, Kate?
Yes, I do. Every year I bake gingerbread men. I decorate them with icing to make faces and buttons.
That's adorable. I should try that this year.
What about Christmas music? Do you listen to Christmas carols?
Oh yes, all the time. Starting in December, I listen to Christmas music in my car and at home. It makes me feel festive.
Festive is a great word. It means happy and ready to celebrate. I feel festive when I hear Christmas carols in the shops. What's your favorite Christmas carol, Martin?
I love Silent Night. It's peaceful and beautiful. What about you?
I love Jingle Bells. It's cheerful and makes me want to dance.
Christmas music creates such a happy atmosphere.
Now let's talk about Christmas food. This is my favorite topic.
Mine too. Christmas dinner is very special. In my family, we eat roast turkey with stuffing. Turkey is traditional in many countries. We also have roasted potatoes, vegetables, and gravy. Do you eat any special desserts?
Yes, we have Christmas pudding and mince pies. They're sweet and full of dried fruits and spices.
In my family, we also have cookies and Christmas cake. My grandmother makes a special fruit cake every year, and we can't forget hot chocolate. On cold December nights, hot chocolate with marshmallows is perfect.
Absolutely. Sometimes I add a candy cane to stir it. The peppermint flavor is wonderful. Let's talk about Christmas traditions. Martin, what traditions does your family have?
On Christmas Eve, we watch a Christmas movie together. Usually It's a Wonderful Life or Home Alone.
Movie night on Christmas Eve is a lovely tradition. My family opens one small present on Christmas Eve. Just one. The rest we save for Christmas morning.
That's a fun tradition. It builds excitement. On Christmas morning, we wake up early, very early, and open presents around the tree.
How early?
Sometimes 6 in the morning. When I was a child, I couldn't sleep on Christmas Eve because I was so excited.
I understand that feeling. The excitement of Christmas morning is magical, especially for children.
Now, let's talk about Christmas presents. This is what many people think about most. Kate, what kind of presents do you give?
I try to give thoughtful presents, something the person will really use and enjoy. For my mother, I'm buying a soft scarf. For my brother, a book he wants to read.
Those sound perfect. I think the best presents show that you know the person well and that you care about them.
Yes, exactly. It's not about how much money you spend. It's about the thought behind the gift. What about you, Martin? What presents are you giving this year?
I'm giving my father a new watch. His old one is broken, and for my sister, I'm giving a plant for her apartment.
Those are wonderful gifts, practical and meaningful.
Do you like receiving presents?
Of course, everyone likes presents. But honestly, at Christmas, I enjoy giving more than receiving.
That is the true Christmas spirit. When we give to others, we feel happy inside.
Now let's talk about Father Christmas or Santa Claus. In English, we have both names. Do you believe in Santa Claus, Martin?
Well, I'm an adult now, so no, but when I was a child, I absolutely believed. I left milk and cookies for Santa by the fireplace.
That's so sweet. I did the same thing. And carrots for the reindeer.
The reindeer! Yes, they need food too after their long journey. Santa travels all around the world in one night. That's a lot of work. It's magical. Children write letters to Santa telling him what presents they want. Have you ever written a letter to Santa?
Yes, many times when I was young. I would write very carefully and mail it to the North Pole. The North Pole, where Santa lives with his elves. The elves make all the toys in Santa's workshop.
This is wonderful vocabulary for Christmas. Elves, reindeer, workshop, North Pole, sleigh. These are all part of the Santa Claus story. Let's talk about Christmas feelings. How do you feel during the Christmas season, Kate?
I feel joyful. Joy is a deep, warm happiness. Christmas brings joy to my heart.
That's beautiful. I feel grateful at Christmas. Grateful means thankful. I'm thankful for my family, my health, and my home.
Those are important things to be grateful for. Christmas is a time to appreciate what we have. Some people feel stressed at Christmas because they're so busy, shopping, cooking, cleaning, visiting family. It can be overwhelming.
That's true. It's important to remember that Christmas is about love and togetherness, not about being perfect. Great advice. Some people also feel lonely at Christmas if they're far from family or if they have lost loved ones.
Yes, Christmas can be a difficult time for some people. It's important to be kind and to reach out to others who might be alone. We can invite them to join our celebration or simply call them to say we're thinking of them.
Now let's talk about Christmas vocabulary. We should practice some keywords clearly.
Good idea. Let's start with decorations. Repeat after me. Decorations, decorations.
Decorations are the beautiful things we use to make our homes festive. Christmas trees, lights, wreaths, and ornaments are all decorations. Can you use it in a sentence, Kate?
Of course. We put up Christmas decorations in early December. Or, the decorations in the town center are beautiful this year.
Perfect examples.
Our next word is tradition. Repeat after me. Tradition, tradition.
A tradition is something special that you do every year. It's a custom that is repeated and passed down through families. For example, baking cookies every Christmas is a tradition in my family. Or, watching a special movie on Christmas Eve is a tradition.
Excellent. Another important word is celebrate. Repeat after me. Celebrate, celebrate. To celebrate means to do something special for a happy occasion. We celebrate Christmas on December 25th.
My examples. We celebrate Christmas with a big family dinner. Or, people around the world celebrate Christmas in different ways.
Very good. Now let's practice the word festive. Repeat after me. Festive, festive. Festive means happy, cheerful, and ready for a celebration. It describes the Christmas feeling.
The Christmas market looks very festive with all the lights. Or, I feel festive when I hear Christmas music.
Perfect. Our last word is gather. Repeat after me. Gather, gather. To gather means to come together. At Christmas, families gather to spend time together.
For example, we gather around the Christmas tree to open presents. Or, our whole family gathers for Christmas dinner.
Wonderful. These 5 words are very useful for talking about Christmas. Decorations, tradition, celebrate, festive, and gather. Now let's talk about Christmas in different countries. Christmas is celebrated around the world, but traditions can be different.
That's true. In some countries, people celebrate on Christmas Eve, December 24th. In others, the main celebration is on Christmas Day, December 25th.
In Germany, they have beautiful Christmas markets where you can buy handmade gifts and drink hot mulled wine.
In Italy, they have a special Christmas witch called La Befana who brings gifts to children in January.
In Australia, Christmas is in summer, not winter, so people sometimes have barbecues on the beach.
That's so different from a snowy white Christmas, but it shows that Christmas is celebrated in many ways.
What matters most is being with people you love and spreading kindness.
Absolutely. The true meaning of Christmas is about love, generosity, and peace.
Some people also celebrate the religious meaning of Christmas. It is the celebration of the birth of Jesus Christ.
Yes, for many Christians, going to church on Christmas Eve or Christmas morning is an important tradition.
Christmas is a holiday that brings people together, whether they are religious or not.
Now let's talk about some common Christmas phrases. These are expressions you will hear often at Christmas time.
Great idea. The most common is Merry Christmas. We say this to wish someone a happy holiday.
Yes, Merry Christmas is what you say to friends, family, and even strangers during December. You can also say Happy Christmas, but Merry Christmas is more common.
Another phrase is Season's Greetings. This is more general and can include other winter holidays like Hanukkah and New Year.
Happy Holidays is similar. It's inclusive and friendly. When someone gives you a present, you say, "Thank you so much," or "This is wonderful, thank you."
And when you give a present, you might say, "I hope you like it," or "This is for you." At the dinner table, someone might say, "Let's make a toast." A toast is when you raise your glass and say something nice before drinking.
For example, let's toast to family and good health, or cheers to a wonderful Christmas. On Christmas morning, you might hear children say, "Look what I got," or "Santa came."
And throughout the season, you will hear "'Tis the season," which means this is the special Christmas time. These phrases are wonderful for sounding natural at Christmas.
Now I think it's time to wrap up our lesson. We covered so much today.
We really did. From decorations to traditions, from food to feelings, we talked about everything Christmas.
Let's do a quick summary. Today, we learned how to talk about Christmas in English. We learned vocabulary like Christmas tree, ornaments, stockings, and wreaths.
We talked about traditions like baking cookies, singing carols, and watching Christmas movies.
We discussed Christmas food, including turkey, roast potatoes, Christmas pudding, and hot chocolate.
We learned about Santa Claus, the North Pole, elves, and reindeer.
And we talked about Christmas feelings like joy, gratitude, and the festive spirit.
The most important thing is that Christmas is about love, family, and kindness.
Now it's time for our question of the day. Are you ready?
Yes! Today's question is perfect for this time of year.
The question is, what is your favorite Christmas tradition?
Let's think of some examples. Martin, what is your favorite Christmas tradition?
My favorite tradition is decorating the Christmas tree with my family. We play Christmas music, drink hot chocolate, and put each ornament on the tree together. It takes 2 hours, but it's special. That is a beautiful tradition. So you could write, my favorite Christmas tradition is decorating the tree with my family. What about you, Kate?
My favorite tradition is Christmas morning breakfast. Before we open presents, we have a special breakfast with pancakes, bacon, and orange juice. Everyone sits together and we are relaxed and happy.
That sounds wonderful. So you could write, my favorite Christmas tradition is having a special breakfast on Christmas morning.
Now, viewers, it's your turn. Think about your Christmas traditions. What is your favorite? It could be singing carols, opening presents, cooking a special meal, or visiting family.
Please write your answer in the comments below. We promise to read as many comments as we can. We love hearing about Christmas traditions from around the world.
This is great practice for your English. Don't be nervous. Write 1 or 2 sentences. We're all here to learn together.
Before we go, we want to wish you a very Merry Christmas.
Yes, Merry Christmas to all of you. We hope your Christmas is filled with joy, love, and happiness.
Thank you for spending your time with us today. Learning a language is a journey, and we're so happy to share this Christmas lesson with you.
Remember, Christmas is a wonderful time to practice your English. You can talk to friends about your traditions, write Christmas cards in English, or watch Christmas movies.
We'll be back next time with another real-life English conversation. Maybe we'll talk about New Year or winter activities.
So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you don't miss our next video.
From all of us here at Daily English Boost, Merry Christmas. Keep learning, keep practicing, and have a wonderful holiday season.